Hello, Mandy here. I have two more activities to show you today that are great for younger kids and can be used in the spring when you're talking about rain, or for St. Patrick's Day if you're talking about rainbows. They're great for both. So my first experiment, you need Skittles, a plate, and warm water. All you're going to do is line up your Skittles in a circle around your plate and pour warm water in the center and watch the rainbow travel from the Skittle colors. I will show that to you closer in just 1 second. Our second experiment has to do with rain. So this is fun to show how rain falls from clouds. All I have is a glass of water, some shaving cream, which will be our cloud, and then some blue food dye. So this is fun for the kids because it's very visual and they can see how the rain falls from clouds. All you're going to do is add shaving cream to the top of your glass of water and make a cloud. And then you're going to take your blue food dye and drop it into your cloud. Now you might have to wait for a little while for it to fall through the foam to get to the bottom. Add a few, get it going. How fun is this? As we wait, I will pull you closer to see it drop through the shaving cream into the water so you get a closer view. I hope you enjoyed both of these activities and you can find ways to use them in your classroom or at home. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. My email is posted below. Also, if you have any comments on how you would do these experiments or activities, feel free to post them in the comments. I love to learn from other teachers or other moms. I will see you next time. Goodbye.